Want a surprise? Give this paw a dunk. Now we've got a bunch of tiny blocks. What are you gonna make? A kitty cat. Yeah, something tells me you're a cat person. Hey, there's more blocks inside this slime ball. We could use them to make a dog. After all, some people are dog people. Of course, they get along like, well, cats and dogs. Oh, a dog box. It's got a chain of puppies. Huh, that corgi could use a little something. Press down in the sand and add glue. Pretty soon, you'll have a pair of sandy cheeks. This corgi's gonna have some spring in his seat. Next up, we're gonna need some tiny drops. Until we've got a bunch of paw prints at hand. Make that hands. Next up, take your lucky cat's paw and give it a nice bubbly soda soak. Just make sure you give it room to grow. With paws, it's go big or go home. Who's calling, kitty? Guess we'll never know. Maybe it's okay. Or maybe I'm wrong. Naughty kitty. Well, maybe we can fix it. And we've got a fluffy puppy to help. He'd be happy to hold your phone for you. Ooh, he gets great reception too. Best of all, he comes in handy when you drop a call. Kitty sure loves to leave his mark. Guess Puss didn't like those boots. Don't worry, our friend Catnap will help. Now you can always step out in style. Just don't forget to make a pair. Aw, what a cute little husky puppy. Why don't we take her for a walk? Or is she the one walking us? But first, she's just gotta dance. Oh, guess that was the potty dance. Aw, but you're still the cutest. Guess Kitty's got an out-of-the-box idea. Make some cuts and flip the tables. Now it's time to put a new face on things. Plus a tail and a new leash. Now we can walk the dog. Cat dog. Wow, look, it's a jumping kitty balloon. Uh-oh, Kitty's claws are out tonight. At least she left us someone to remember her by. Wow, they grow up so fast. Talk about a pinch to grow an inch. We don't have a balloon, but we do have socks. Take one and fill it up with cotton. Twist and turn it like a sausage. Pretty soon, you've got a new puppy. Cats love to keep clean, but it can be dirty work. Hey, keep your fuzz to yourself. Still, it'd be a shame to waste it. Poke it with a needle. Add some stripes. Soon, we'll have an itty-bitty kitty. He even comes with a tiny box. Isn't he cute? Wait, inspiration strikes! Wrap a fuzzy pipe cleaner around a pencil. Now run the tail through the hole. Keep on twisting and turning. Soon, we've got a fuzzy little poodle. He's no bigger than your finger. Especially since he slides right on. Hey, what's wrong? Uh-oh, another dog! This really is a dog-eat-dog world. Wait a minute, that's not a real dog. Hey, pillow fights come after tea time. Oh, and you stained his favorite shirt. Well, we can use it for our next craft. We can use it to make a brand new cat. Now let's fill it up with stuffing. Add eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And every cat needs some whiskers. Ooh, someone's got a cool cat blind bag. I wonder what's inside. A paper running game. First, you need to pick your avatar. Now jump over all the obstacles. The best part, it doesn't need batteries. Do they make doggy blind bags? Of course they do. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, a paper dog game. Just need to put it together. Now feed that puppy. It's someone's special day. It's Kitty's birthday. Uh-oh, did you forget to buy him a gift? Well, we'll just have to make him something. Besides, it's really the thought that counts. And your brain already wants to help. Looks like we're making a box of cats. Fold it up into a pop-up birthday card. Look, it's practically a party and a card. Here you go, Kitty. Happy birthday. Hey, you have a frog in your throat? Oh, make that a dog in your throat. This could be Kitty's next present. Just roll it up and add to a paper house. Come on, Kitty. Let's take this wiener dog on a roll. Oh, there's nothing sadder than a cat person without a cat. Luckily, it looks like that's about to change. Oh, it's a kitty, and she's so fluffy. Something tells me that's not rain. Whatever it is, it's coming with a chance of kittens. Ooh, are you having a tom or a queen? Two of each? Mommies in the making need lots of love and attention. Especially when they start shedding. Don't worry, our cat brush will fix you right up. This'll catch all that excess hair.
Ew.
And disposal couldn't be easier. Who wants a paw rub? Let's tuck you in and count some white mice. This curtain just sparks inspiration. From table to fort, a cat fort. complete with a big fluffy teddy bear. Bring those two bear paws together and keep them that way. Add a cushion. It's your own little chair in your own little corner. Wow, construction's thirsty work, you know. No, but save some water. It's just what our toilet water dish needs. So fresh and clean, you'll want a sip for yourself. Don't forget some TP, always comes in handy. After all, accidents do happen. Some kibble will pair great with all this water. Oh, there's a prize! Oh, we found Nemo! Of course, every fish needs a bowl. Why not add a little island in the middle? Just add water, too. Now it's all ready for our robot fish. Round and round they go. Ooh, careful! Oh, I think you broke that brush. No matter, those bristles look all right. Just add some glue and it's a new scratching post. Wow, you sure go through a lot of brushes. Ugh, we need to get a litter box in here. In the meantime, it's time for a little 52 pickup. Looks like she's got an idea. And just in time, too. Start by cutting a little door on the side. Maybe something in this old Christmas box will help. No, not this. Not that. Aha! Our tiny Christmas tree. I knew it wasn't such a bad little tree after all. In fact, we'll need a few to cover up the sides. Just lay out the green carpet and a plastic bag. Don't forget to glue it all together. Add some sand, like every litter box needs. Gravity is just not your friend today. But cardboard is far more agreeable. You can make it into all sorts of new things. All it needs is some old Christmas lights. And why not add a pillow at the bottom? I think your bird's shedding. Must be catching. Loose feathers means crafting supplies. Add this to a string and add some beads. Let's hang these up like a beaded curtain. And it's the perfect place for all your old gum. We should add a pillow on top. And look, there's even a door! We'll need stairs, unless cats can fly. Ooh, nice pom-pom. Can we borrow it? A few of these will brighten up the doorway. Aw, I think Kitty wants to help. Maybe not. Either way, this broom is just what we needed. Take an empty box and fill it up with a bunch of bristles. Pour a little cement on the bottom, not too much. We want those bristles sticking out, so Kitty can play with them. Uh-oh, hope we didn't use up all our brooms. Hey, there's something in the plant pot. Oh, it helps you make paw prints. And we've got plenty of paws. This is going right in our collage. Ooh, beach balls on tap. Now that's fancy. But let's not forget about all that string either. Wrap it around and glue it into place. Now all we need is something to stand it on. And something sharp. Don't worry, I said we've got them on tap. Cut an opening. It'll help get the ball out and your kitty cat in. Wow, someone tell that ostrich we found her egg. It looks like it's ready to hatch. Let's help. Ooh, confetti and a cute baby duck. Sure had a lot of room in there. Looks like someone's got a new best friend. Meanwhile, let's have fun with all this laundry. These green tights are just what we needed. Start by folding one into the other. And tie them to these chair legs. You've got a little hammock right in your room. So, who wants to try it out? Any takers? What happened to our feline friend? Well, at least we've got a sock. So many holes. Let's make some more. Take these tubes and add frills toward the end. Accessorize and your kitty friend's got a brand new outfit. Put your paw through and you're photo ready. Perfect time for a snack break. But first, let's have some fun with the container. We really just need the bottom. It works even better than tracing paper. Draw the outline and then color it in. When you're finished, cut it out. Leave some room to punch a hole in at the top. Now we just need to add some heat. This'll shrink things down to size. It's the right size for our new necklace. All dressed up for a nice night at home. Your brand new cat home. Let's explore. Wow, those cats know how to live. Guess somebody's got some cat scratch fever. Now that's a bear hug. Time to descend the stairs like you just had a makeover. And there's so many places to catnap. But I think this is her favorite spot. Remember to order that big liter of milk and a 20-pound salmon. Good. Now, does the cat want anything? Pretty cool stuff. Catch you next time.